Hello, first graders. Well, you can't see me because I'm showing you this sheet of paper. I just realized that part of your homeschool work involves the use of dice for your spelling practice. And since we were not able to take home any of the dice in our classroom, unless you have one at home, I'm gonna help teach you how to make your own dice. First off, you need 2 sheets of recycled paper. So I have one. These are Isla's scrap paper, and 2. Okay. You need to fold in 2 to make squares. So you just need to fold them and use them straight. If you have scissors, ask a grown-up to help you cut because you need to keep it as straight as possible. If not, you can just deepen the line and carefully as you can tear the paper in 2. Alright, next you should make some squares. How do we make squares? First you fold them into triangles and then you fold them flat like this. If you flip it here, this is now a square. So you're not gonna tear off the triangle, but just the square that you already made. Okay, there you go. There's our triangle and another triangle. There you go. And so, oops. Another square. So I have 2 squares of paper. I have 2 more that I made earlier. 1, 2. But overall, we're gonna need 6. So let me make another one. So you need 6 pieces of square bits of paper. Fold as tightly as you can so that you can just tear it off without using scissors. Or if you have scissors, it's fine. You can use them. I just didn't want to use scissors now because I want it to be as easy as it can be. It would also help if you have a little bit of tape with you after this step. Okay, so there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 small squares from recycled paper. Then, you can see it, get one of the squares and get the middle of that paper. Okay, you don't have to fold it tightly. You just need to pick the middle and fold inwards. Alright, fold it in. Fold it in, and then get the middle of this side too. Okay, it's folded in. I just found the middle and fold it this way. So you're left with this square like shape. Okay, you need to do this for all 6 of your square bits of paper. There you go. Okay, I just quickly folded everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of folded paper. All right, next, after you've had 6 pieces of paper that you folded like this, it's now time to connect everything. So this one, take this one, and connect everything inside all the way until this fold. Okay, inside, inside, oops, inside. Okay, maybe this is bigger. Let's do it the opposite way. Inside, inside, inside. Okay. The other one too. Should be folded inside or fold outside, outside, outside. All the way until you've connected the 4 bits, 4 parts. Okay, so I have now 1, 2, 3. This is my 4th. 4. Put it inside. And everything. This now, the 4 parts, you will now have to connect all together, all 4 of them. Okay. There you go. All right. Okay, until you make a square like this. You can glue the inside. You can tape the inside so it's stronger and it doesn't open, but it should be fine just the way it is. All right, and then slip this in. That one you need to tape because it's not gonna be strong enough, or glue. Okay. All right. And that should make up your dice. All right. And all you have to do is to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on it to keep it so you know what you're gonna do for your spelling list. All right. All right, here's my final dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I taped and I taped everything so it's secure, and when I roll it, that's what I follow for my spelling. All right, let's try our spelling now.